sing something. Let me sing something. Connor, stop. Connor, stop. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, yeah, Monkey Chicken Scooby-Doo on Channel 2.
Make a good wish.
Connor, you're stupid.
Blowing his candles out now.
Connor, get in here. What are you doing? Come sit down. No, go around.
I don't care. It's just candles.
Look, your candles are like half burned down already. Do you see? It's a number 8. How old are you? 8.
No way.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do you have your wish in mind?
No.
Oh, foiled.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh.
Yep.
Oh, that
He
hurt.
said that he prayed to God last night that it wouldn't rain.
And it rained right around us.
I think it worked.
No, really, there was like a bubble above us.
Bubble.
No, Mom, I'm not kidding. Way out in the distance, you could see thunder and lightning. And
Yeah.
you can see the mist, the electronic mist with rain. On the other side, that's it, and behind us.
But not at
And
Waterworld.
not at Waterworld.
Awesome.
But they
Happy
said
birthday.
it never rains.
You ready for a piece of cake? All right.
Not too big, though.
Not too big. All right, we won't go crazy.